Hi everyone, welcome back to RS Lifestyle and Reviews. This video is showing you how to make an easy face mask using household fabric. I'll be explaining in detail how to cut and stitch a face mask step by step, so let's jump right into the video. For my face mask, I'll be using a pillowcase as my piece of fabric. Using a plate, outline a circle shape with a diameter of 10 to 11 inches. Next, cut out the circle you have outlined. Fold the piece of fabric in half, then fold it again. Next, using scissors, cut both sides from the corner as I am doing. When you open up the cloth, you should end up with 4 separate pieces of fabric. Attach 2 of the pieces to the other 2 pieces of fabric. Now stitch around both of the pieces of fabric. Next, put both pieces together with the stitching facing outwards. Stitch all the edges together, leaving one corner open. Using that corner, unfold the mask as I am doing inside out. Now, place a hair tie or rubber band in the corner of the mask and fold the corner over. Then place a bobby pin to secure it. Repeat on the other side as well. Now, stitch the corners where you have placed the bobby pins. And your mask is finally ready. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, please don't forget to share, like, subscribe and comment.